Had enough of the CUBLAS64DLL error blocking your game engine? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've prepared a repair to get your game files running again. To kick off the CUBLAS64 walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This DLL file is the CUDA Basic Linear Algebra Subprograms BLAS library. It provides high-performance mathematical routines for vector and matrix operations, essential for deep learning and AI apps on PC. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. The CUBLAS64-10DLL is commonly utilized in game graphics and audio processing routines. To resolve the error, install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX-related DLLs, then update your GPU drivers to ensure full OpenCL and OpenGL support. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the CUBLAS64 component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Keep in mind that the CUBLAS64-10DLL must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. A maintenance path for the CUBLAS64 and system optimization is outlined in the diagnostic resource linked below. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix the CUBLAS64. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.